You are watching your Fast Life Motorcycle channel, and check this out. Kawasaki Ninja H2 for sale on Craigslist. I kid you not. Check this out. Posted 5 hours ago on Craigslist. This is the real deal. Kawasaki Ninja H2 2016 model in Sacramento. I thought that the time to buy these was over already. So I'm not sure what this is all about. But anyway, limited release production available for a short time. We're now taking pre-orders. Back in black. Model year 2016. 26,000 is the price. You can see all the details here. And it's being sold by Good Times Motorsports in Auburn Boulevard, Sacramento, California. Alright, I take that back. The Ninja H2 is the one that had the specific limited window, which has already passed December 11th. That's for the H2R. Ninja H2 is going to be available through your dealership. So, I don't know exactly when they're going to stop taking orders for those and how many they're going to sell. So I'm not sure. But if you guys are looking for a Ninja H2, you can get one right here at Craigslist. Maybe I'll check on eBay, see if there's any Ninja H2s on eBay. Alright guys, your Fast Life Motorcycle channel too. Hand them out!